This segment is sponsored by Pro Health Services. When it comes to living your healthiest, happiest life, having the right care team by your side makes all the difference. Today, we are joined by Dr. Angel Alexander Martin from Pro Health Services to talk about how they're helping patients feel better from the inside out. Welcome back. Nice to see you again.
Likewise. Good to see you.
So let's talk about what happens to the body when someone loses weight.
So many different things happen to the body when someone loses weight. They lose, typically their blood sugar goes down, their blood pressure goes down, their blood cholesterol goes down. And those are all good things because those are all risk factors for heart disease. So by losing some of those, you reduce the risk of heart disease. But then there's other changes that take place in the body as well. For instance, electrolytes start to shift. So we lose weight, the electrolytes shift, and that's why it's important to have your blood monitored so that your electrolytes are okay.
Okay, that's really good to know. Why is protein important with weight loss?
So as you lose weight, part of what you lose is muscle, part of what you lose is water, and part of what you lose is fat. So you want to maximize the fat loss and minimize the muscle loss. And so it's very important to get enough protein to hold on to as much muscle as possible. We've had several patients who've lost weight. We had one gentleman who lost 7 pounds in 2 weeks, and he'd be excited about that.
Yeah.
But only 1 pound was fat, and the rest was muscle and water. So that was not healthy weight loss. So by having him come in and evaluating his body composition, we could determine, oh, we need to adjust some things so that you can lose weight safely, because again, we want you to maximize your fat loss and minimize the muscle loss.
Right, you want to minimize the muscle loss and maximize the fat loss for sure. What are some ways to improve or maintain muscle while also losing weight?
So one of the big ways is obviously making sure you get enough protein. And then we also talk about resistance exercises. So it's recommended that you exercise the upper body, the lower body, all major muscle groups twice a week. The other thing, though, is in our office, we actually have the ability to stimulate the muscle through a body sculpting device called the Evolve Transform. And it gives 288,000 impulses every 30 minutes on the muscles that we're treating. So that helps build the muscle, helps tone the muscle, and muscle is very important for metabolism. So it helps maintain a healthy metabolism as well.
Which is what you want. It's a good metabolism to help lose weight.
Yes.
Let's talk about skin laxity. So what are some ways to improve skin laxity in weight loss?
Yeah, so similar to muscle changing, the skin gets loose. You lose weight, you're no longer as stretched, or your skin is stretched, and so we want to help tighten it a little bit. So just like our Transform can help build muscle, it can also help tighten skin. So we can tighten skin on the abdomen, the thighs, the glutes. We also can tighten skin on the face, for anti-aging purposes. So that way it's tighter, it's more tone, and then just helps you look and feel better on the inside and out.
Right, because when you lose weight, you still want your skin to look like you lost the weight also.
Yes, yes.
For sure.
And it's not surgical, there's no pain, there's no downtime, there's no scars, nothing like that. It's very comfortable, quick, convenient, and very, very effective.
Comfortable, quick, and convenient. We like that. Do you have any promotions to help with skin laxity and muscle? You're kind of talking about what you guys offer.
Yeah. So right now, for the next 10 people to reach out to us, we are giving 50% off a body transforming procedure. So that's a $200 savings. Where you get to sit in the hot seat, skin gets tightened, fat gets trimmed, and muscle gets toned simultaneously, all in a very relaxing environment.
That sounds fantastic. What's the best way for our viewers to get in touch with you?
You can either call or text us at 614-442-2600 or visit us at www.prohealthservices.org.
Perfect. Doctor, thank you so much for being here with us
Thank
today.
you so
Always
much.
a pleasure to talk to you. It sounds like you can
Likewise.
really help people with something that's so important to them, which is weight loss. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
And as she said, you can take advantage of her promotion. All you have to do is give her a call or visit her website. It's prohealthservices.org for more info. We'll be right back.